on, just thought I'd come and show you what you will need for your 12 days of Stitchmas trees. So first up, you will need some calico or linen or bit of old fabric. You could use old napkins, pillowcases, anything, any old fabric you've got. Please don't go out and buy specially unless you really have to. And you'll want 12 pieces at around about 6 inches by 6 inches, and that's 15 centimetres ish, whichever way you work, metric or imperial. Okay, so you want 12 of those, so you'll need to get those ready for your project. So just pop that to one side. You want a selection of threads in mainly greens. I've got a bit of red, I've got some variegated stuff, bits of brown for the tree trunks. So just think trees and Christmas trees and what you might need for that. Anything goes really. You'll want something thin for beading. I tend to use this Gutermann sulky thread because it's so fine. You very rarely see it on anything. A selection of beads in whatever colours you want. I've gone true Christmas there. A selection of needles. I tend to use chenille needles in a size 22, 24, 26. I use chenilles because the eyes are bigger and longer, and I can see to thread, basically. That's why I use them over an embroidery. You can use embroidery needles. You'll want some beading needles. The reason I go with a beading needle is because if you use seed beads, you can guarantee that you can't get the these through the little holes in them. So I always go with a beading needle, and milliner's needles. If you don't have a milliner's needle, a long darner will do. But the thing with a milliner's needle is the eye is the same thickness as the shaft of the needle all the way down. So when we're doing wraps, they'll go through easier. I'll come to that. I'll show you that when we come to that bit. You'll probably need an embroidery hoop of whatever size suits you. But if you're cutting out your fabric at 6 inches, maybe this one's around about 4.5 inches, 10, 11 centimetres, 110. You just got to bear in mind that you're going to fit a Christmas tree in it, and that's going to be the size of the tree. Okay, so just think that through. So and the tree is about 3 inches ish. So I'll give you a chance to gather that all together, and I will upload the template for this and give you some idea of what we're going to do with it. So you might want a thimble, and you will definitely want a little pair of scissors, embroidery scissors, sharp on the end, really sharp on the end. You'll need those, and obviously a ruler or tape measure so you can measure up where we're putting the threads. So I will see you on the first day of Stitchmas trees. I'm looking forward to it.